Alors je voulais vendre des sandwichs à la plage, j'avais trouvé que c'était une bonne idée, les gens ils étaient là, ils avaient l'air contents, ils restaient au soleil. En plus tout le monde veut des sandwichs, donc je m'étais dit c'est clair, avec ce business tu feras de l'argent, c'est bon. Un conseil pour moi, le plus important, c'est de vivre ses passions, quand on réfléchit aussi à ce qu'on veut faire plus tard, de se dire ce boulot-là, on va le faire tous les jours, donc il faut qu'ils aillent sur quelque chose qui leur plaît. Et s'ils sont trompés, d'avoir le courage de dire voilà, je vais sur autre chose, toujours un peu aussi en essayant de trouver un fil conducteur, une logique, pour pouvoir expliquer pourquoi est-ce qu'ils veulent aller vers telle voie ou tel métier. Alors là vous ne voyez pas, c'est dommage avec la caméra, mais il y a les vaches partout, les montagnes. Donc, clairement, si on aime les grandes villes, je dirais que Berne c'est pas pour vous, mais si vous aimez la montagne, les balades, l'hiking, le sport, c'est vraiment génial. Donc c'est des gens très sportifs, très équipés ici. Donc voilà, moi ça me convient très bien, j'aime bien le jogging, le trail, donc c'est une bonne vie. Je vais passer en anglais parce que j'ai préparé cette partie en anglais. So I took some time to think what I would like to share with you, and I decided I want to share what is my motivation and passion at work. So what makes me coming here every day. And I have worked in different environments. So I've worked in R&D, in headquarters, and in factories. And every time, my best memories, this is when we overcome challenges as a team. So with interaction and maintaining fun, I think it's an important part for me. For example, at factory, when we were able to start a complete line with a vertical startup, it means you have prepared everything and from day one you go to your optimal output. This is a lot of preparation, of course, but it is also through the involvement of all the people, also the operator that will later operate the line. So this was really like you finish and you're proud. As project manager also, when sometimes we come to an idea and this idea we are able to make it happen in the pilot plant, so something real, and sometimes also to patent, so you really like you have your name on the patent, and it's not only your name, it's the name of the team, you know, we did this together. Also when we get to a product launch, this is very rewarding. And now as my role of team manager, it's also when I see one of my team members which come to a big achievement in the project. And then I know it's also something that was not done alone, it's always a projecting behind. And also my passion is to develop people. So if I see the person, you know, she did it, I mean, it's also because we work together so that the person is developing and being able to deliver more and more. Voilà, so at those moments I feel really pride and also kind of complicity with the team. So we look at each other and we thought, okay, we made it. It was hard, we had many challenges, but we also had fun and we had also excitement when we saw, okay, we are close to the success. So that's why I think for me this is what I come and why I sometimes spend a lot of hours, but we say, okay, we're nearly there, let's go. And of course we have the recognition of outside, but the recognition between each other, we made it, is the most important.